This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 46 of Building Robocop. This issue, we're starting on a new bit. We're starting on the pelvis. So, yeah, we'll get straight to that. After looking at 2 become 3, this is the third Robocop movie. I've got no memories of that in the slightest. I know there was a third movie, but I don't know what happened in it. I don't think it was very good. But if you want to read all about that, then that's what it's there for. Other than that, we shall start building the pelvis. Well, not really building anything yet. We've got the big metal pelvis piece, and we're putting on the first tricky gear thing for the side to attach to. So not even doing anything up. It just got to slip some things together and then put it aside until the next issue, which is probably going to be the same on the other side. And then there's obviously your parts going to go together onto it. So, yeah, we'll get to that. He looks a bit more friendlier than Robocop, doesn't he? That is Maggie. Small but adorable. I don't know. I've got no sense of scale from that. I'm hoping one of the other pictures will have it next to a person or something. No, obviously not. Don't know. Maybe it tells you in the words how tall he is. But there we go. That's that. Then DNA there. Gene editing. Scary stuff. There you have it. That is that. All about that. So let's get what little bit built we can of the pelvis. Yes, not much to build at all on this. All we are doing, in fact, is putting this in. Let me just double check which side it goes in from. I can't really tell too much from the picture there. It looks like that goes into that bit. So the screw will go through from the outside. We've got, I think the screw was first. Again, I really should have checked the instructions before putting them out of the way. Before putting this together. Yes, the screw will go through here. That's the side that we're doing. That screw goes through there. And then onto that we've got a little spring. And then the traditional type of metal ratchet type thing that lets this lock the leg into position. So that's sprung in there. And that's that. That's all we're doing with that. So that's part of the build that I shall just put aside like that, carefully, so I don't lose any bits from it. But there is a free gift, or rather, 2 free gifts in this delivery. The first is the third of the binders. I don't believe this is actually a free gift. I think you might have to pay for this. But Fanhome are providing all of this to me anyway, so they're sending me out these with no extra charge for me. But I believe you get charged for these. Put the number 3 on the corner there and already put the next couple of magazines in there. The other gift that is free is in this packet, and this will be a power bank. Always good to have extra charge for your batteries or other things. This is a traditional mini micro USB charge, exactly the same thing as we've had on various different artwork builds, but it does the job. It comes with no charge at all by the looks of it. I can't see any lights lighting up on that, but obviously you can plug that in there, plug that into a USB socket, power supply, charge it up, and then you can use it the other way around to charge your devices. Nice Robocop branding on there. It's fine. It's small, it's light, it's smooth, it will fit into your pocket quite easily. So there we have that. I can put it away because I'm probably not going to use it, but it's always nice to have. I'll probably charge it up and then just keep it aside in case I ever need it. So for now, that is that. Another issue completed. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, that's already come off the back there. So I shall put this in a packet and keep that aside like that. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.